San Francisco State University Finance 372 Prologis, take 12 and action.
Hello everyone, I'm Rachel Evans.
I'm Danilo Vasquez.
I'm Mediz.
And all together we are group number 12, and we're here to play you out for the evening. We're here to tell you about a company called Prologis. Maybe you've never heard of them, maybe you have heard of them. They're based here in San Francisco. Currently we're looking at an intrinsic value of $46, and that's quite a bit less than the current stock price, so it's selling at a discount of 18.3%. We're going to be looking at background company strategies, financial conditions, stock valuation, and recommendations. You guys all know this stuff, so I'm just going to go and cruise by it. Our strategies: locations in high-quality global and regional markets, transportation-efficient supply chain networks for customers, platforms amongst 4 continents to meet global recognition, and leasing facilities to customers based on business-to-business and retail online fulfillment. This is your leadership core. It's a lot of super white guys. This guy is the chairman and the CEO, and I think it's just kind of amazing to kind of look to see how this is set up, because he kind of runs the whole entire show. And I was wondering as I was putting together this flow chart exactly how much oversight he has. But clearly Prologis is doing something right, because they were sitting at the top of their game. Market cap $27.2 billion, ahead of Duke, Liberty, DCT, and First Industrial Realty. Products and services, operations, they primarily look at leasing, managing buildings, capital deployment, so the development and acquisitions of properties, and strategic capital. They're really good at raising money. Here's our SWOT analysis. I really like these colors a lot. They look better on this screen now. Strengths: trends, global strategy. These guys are all over the place. High quality assets and highly credited tenants. They only find the best people to rent to. Weaknesses: they have a very large platform and they really lack significant diversification. Opportunities include global expansion, the ability to use and leverage the balance sheet, and they build on tenant needs. Their exposure is high though, so that is a huge threat for them. Exposure to protectionist trade policies also could hurt them. I heard Donald J. Trump passing some things that might hurt them in the near future. And currency fluctuations obviously will impact them greatly, because they are an international corporation. So for financial conditions, I'm going to hand this off to one of you kind gentlemen.
Alright, so as you guys can see, Prologis ranks pretty good against the industry. So they're around, what is it, net profit margin, around 50%. The industry is 33%, so I would say maybe that's excellent. But yeah, overall their condition is good. And then for the other ratios, they still are, but they're around average compared to the industry in their peer group. But we still rank them as excellent because they are a big company.
So, our support line's at about $34, resistance is about $44, and the trend line has us at $54, maybe $55. Perpetuity model, we got stock value of 35.4. We use the FFO for 2007, FFO per share for 2017. We chose 7% for growth, 35.4, and it's selling at a discount of 36.7%. Gordon growth model, we have risk-free 2.5, beta 0.8, expected market return at 9%, and we got $45 with 8%. Stock value, we got $45, and it's selling at a discount of 18% to the current price of 55.3.
And so for the multiple approach, we decided to go with 19, 18, 17, but we stuck with 19, which gave us a value of $53.80, which is trading at a 2.7% discount. And then for the DCF model, we decided to go with 7%, and it gave us around $44 intrinsic value, which is trading at a 20% discount.
So the net asset value, got the NOI of around $2 billion for 2017, shares outstanding, 530 million. This gave us about a $4 NAV per share. We chose a cap rate of 6%, got a NAV of 62.6, and it's currently trading at a premium to our current stock price.
Scenario analysis, we went with that central weight. 47 seemed to be closer to what the current stock price is, and obviously we're going to weight it more for the DCF and the FFO multiples, because they carry the big boy britches in this way that we look at this. So recommendations, we recommend it to sell. Trades, there are 10, right call options, sell PLD stock short, sell industrial REIT ETF short, sell call options on ETFs, right call options on REIT indices, buy put options on ETFs, and buy put options on REIT indices.